Did you say you were going first, Johnny?
Oh yes.
Oh shit! Turn, Johnny!
Gets quite steep.
I know.
If I went any further, pull the throttle, the back end would just fly
Did
off.
you see me running up to it? My back kicked out. Shit my pants. How the fuck am I gonna get out of this position?
Slide.
Motherfucker! Fuck this fucking world! Come on then. Front end was sliding that.
There's a pond down there.
What? There's another one in there.
Huh?
There's another one in there. Oh shit. This is the best grass we found yet.
Perhaps it's not really a good idea to do this where there's houses there.
I know. Do you want to go in there?
The wet side, alright.
We do it all the time. How much money would you want to go up and over that one? I would on a dirt bike. You got there no problem? Alright. All this revving is fucking... See, that thing you'd have fun wheeling. We should see what it is and try and get a go on it. What? See that big bank there? Behind that is another pond, but it's like you go down these stairs, there's this nice little pond and it's all just fishing. There's little fishing docks made out of wood. This place boasts some of the finest hills in the northeast. Well maintained for us to fuck about. We should go down and race each other around the track. Probably would be me. I'm due a coming off. I'll tell you what, I've come close a few times fucking about. That was a long burnout I did. Longer than normal. I might save up some money and buy new tyres, and then I'll just burn these ones right out till it pops. My front ones are still pretty much brand new though. So I'll just buy a rear. You could probably, because of the size, you'd probably get like a... I know. I could get snow tyres for these. You can, you know. Proper flaps. I feel it for the poor bastard who ends up buying this thing off me. It's probably going to be the scrap man. No. Only thing I'm worried about is the wheel keeps coming forward, the back wheel, and keeps releasing the chain like that. Problem with that is, if you go over a bump and it springs down, comes off the front, it spins away and your back wheel locks up. So if I'm on the A19, I hit a pothole and it's loose, and it comes off the sprocket, the back wheel locks up, and I'd literally come off. That'd be like a serious accident. My fuel consumption's really shit now. It's the fucking air filter, I'm telling you. It's exposed, open carbs. So literally if I did that, it'd just be sucking fuckloads of dirt and air into it. And then one day I might be riding along and my dick will just get sucked right in there. Piston smashing it. It'll be getting burnt. It'll be getting crushed and smashed and stretched and twisted. Fucking end of it pops out of the exhaust. Why don't we go just pick it up and walk off with it? Alright? Just... I'll sit here. Just rest it in there. Brrr. You know how, see the handlebars? I can undo them and proper just fit some lazy boys. Just sit like this. I'd wheelie it then though. If I'm just sitting like that, because I can still get the brakes. And I can still do the gears quite easily. So it's like brrr. Proper Harley style. Oh, them. They're horrible, them. Could you imagine how sore your forearm would be from clutching and accelerating? Like doing that. You come off after a long trip like this. Yeah, see how long I can balance. Not long at all. You never stand up when you're riding.
No.
Why?
Just the balance on this.
Huh? Up the ski slope. Huh? Have you seen where some bikes have gone up the middle? Between the trees. Up and over. It is. It's dirt bikes. Dirt bikes get up anything, man. What is it? Sledge. I'm just getting a stretch. Just getting a stretch. Fuck this fucking world. Oh, Jesus.